Ready?
Yep.
Maybe I need a thing.
We don't have a thing.
A little server, a little thing to cut it with.
We don't have one. Okay, so just take 2 pieces.
Hold on.
Put that piece on a plate and then get another plate. You want a spoon?
I want something in here.
Oh, you just made a mess.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you're gonna have to clean that up. All right, get yourself another plate.
Why is that?
So the second piece can come out better.
Maybe.
Use a knife and cut a second piece.
That came out better.
Now hold on.
Hold on.
I want you to pick up the plate and then not do anything while I move the light.
Okay.
Okay, now stop. Oh no, you don't. Hold on. Okay, now pick it up. Okay.
Eat some?
Yes, please.
Should I say going in?
Dave, I don't want you to say stuff.
Oh. Ready?
Say something.
Say something?
Say something. Do you like it? Don't just eat it. Oh, God, this is ruined.
That's the best damn chicken pie out.
That's the best damn chicken pie out. That's the best damn chicken pie out.
I hate you.
Tell you what. That's the best damn chicken pie I ever had.
Chicken pot pie.
That's some chicken pot pie right there. Chicken pizzazz pie. I'll eat this whole damn pie in one sitting.
Okay, bye-bye.